2006 to 2009 Lexus Smart Key Programming. What's up, everyone? I'm in a Lexus IS250. I'm going to show you how to program the Smart Key. If yours looks like this, then you're in the right spot. So I have a Lexus IS250 2008. Here is my Lexus key. This is the official part number. I'm going to link some below. They have them on Amazon that you can get an official Lexus key or an aftermarket one for cheaper. But this key matches all of these models right here. The GS350, 430, ES350, from 2006 to 2009. All the ISs, 350, LS 460. So this procedure is used for all these cars, and this key is used for all these cars as well. The scanner I'm using is the Launch XRP431. I'm going to link this below too. If you didn't know, this is a scanner that's like $500, but it's like worth like 10 G's. I don't even know how they're selling it. It comes with a Bluetooth dongle. I got it plugged in. So let's go ahead and zoom in. I'm gonna switch to screen mode, and then I'll show you how to do this. So first we need to connect to the car. Just hit connect, it'll read. It's a 2008 Lexus IS250, hit Diagnostic. And then I'm gonna go to the 16 pin, Europe and others, because I'm in America. And then we'll just wait for it to load. I'm gonna go to IS250, because that's what I'm working on. And then I'm going to go to 2008 right here, but you could also go right here. It doesn't really matter as long as it says 2008 in the option. Others, this doesn't have radar cruise. And I'm going to hit OK. It just says, hey, is this all the correct information for the car? And then I'm going to go to system selection. And just real quick, I'm going to go to all systems and show you guys all the systems that this thing has access to. Like I said, this is like a 10 grand like scanner for $500. It's pretty crazy, all the systems that it has entry into. And you could like do like bidirectional testing. You could roll up windows, you could like program keys and like other stuff. I'm gonna go to entry and start. This is where we program the key. Hit OK. We'll go to special function right here, and I'm gonna go to key code registration classic. This is just like their classic version on how to do it. It's actually way simpler than any other way. So I'm gonna hit OK, and it just says, hey, like we're about to program a key. And then if you mess up any of the steps, the registration will fail. And then you just start over. It's not like a big deal. You just start over. So I'll hit OK. And then have your keys ready. Have your old key and your new key ready. It says you got 5 more keys I could program if I wanted to. Now it says touch the ignition switch with a registered key. And you only have 30 seconds to do this. So take your current key, your master key, your old key, touch it to the power button with the Lexus emblem pushing to it. And it should beep. And then you're going to take your new key. And you also have 30 seconds to do this and do the same thing. Push the Lexus emblem to the button. You should hear it beep. It'll go like beep, beep. And then it'll like the scanner will kind of do some things. Oh, and then it wants the key on the passenger seat. Once you do that, you hit register. And then it's going to run everything and then just clock everything in. And then that's pretty much it. It'll say registration is complete. And then it'll basically just boot you to the beginning of the wizard. After that, you just hit OK. It'll just boot you back to the menus, and then you go outside and you test it. Test your new key, make the unlock button work. You could, if you have it enabled, you could check your wireless. Like when you grab the handle, it unlocks, and then of course just go in with your new key only, and then try to start the car. Your car will start up. Everything's good. Now you got 2 keys. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. Got a 15% off promo code for AutoAuth.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the AutoAuth website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in GearmoAuto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.